Hola, hola, buenas tardes. Me da mucho gusto volver a ver a varios aquí en la Fevie. Estamos terminando el primer día de esta quinta 2024, Feria Virtual de la Industria Eficiente. Y pues me da mucho gusto estar celebrando 5 años de un evento que surgió en el COVID y que realmente pensamos que era la forma en ese momento de acercar a los clientes con nuestras representadas al no poder viajar. Y bueno, luego siguió el COVID un año, otro año y ya son 5 años en que este evento le hemos tratado de dar un enfoque y mantener esa conexión de nuestros clientes con nuestras representadas, con algunos de los temas que están más de vanguardia y más actuales que estén viendo dentro de sus instalaciones. Me da mucho gusto que empezamos en Suiza en la mañana, ya pasamos por Alemania y aterrizamos en China para terminar el día. Y me da mucho gusto presentar a nuestra representada Truking, Mark Shao de China. Welcome, Mark. Anne y
Hello.
Rubén, que bueno, nos estaremos aquí acompañándome en esta sesión para que podamos hablar un poco de biotecnología, un tema bastante de vanguardia. Bienvenido, Rubén.
Gracias Gerardo y de nuevo a todos los seguidores de Grupo Rush por mantener su permanencia aquí. Ya es el último jalón del día y pues vamos a aprovechar, ¿no? Eh, Sin mayor preámbulo, vamos a darle la palabra a Mark Shaw para que nos ilustre un poquito con este tema. Mark, the stage is yours. You can start sharing your screen and we are open to
Okay.
listen.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm very happy to join this web seminar. Yeah, to just to share something with you. So yeah, I'm Mark Zhao from Truking in China. So today my topic is map technology and equipment selection. It's a monoclonal antibody uh, process application introduction. So quick introduction of the map. So the biologic and biologic uh, contract marketing manufacturer marketing. This is a prospect. So focused from 2021 to 2031. So the CAGR growth, average growth is around 12.2%. So it's growing very faster. So biologics are medicines made from living cells that treat common and serious diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and some other diseases. So these are highly targeted, effective, and have been widely adopted in the treatment of several diseases. In 2017, biologic drugs represent 2% of the US prescriptions, but 13.7 of the net drug spending. Among all the varieties of biologics, mAb is the biggest segment. The high price, fast growth, efficacious. What is mAb? mAb is a monoclonal antibodies. Uh, MABs are rapidly growing class of drugs with recent successful in the treatment of cancers and therefore is taking one of the fastest growing segment in the biologics. Uh, it is a antibody produced from cell lineage made by cloning a unique uh, white blood cell. All subsequent antibodies derive this way, trace back to the unique parent cells. So it's a high valuable, a high price, and high features. So the global monoclonal antibody market is estimated to be valued around 205.4 billion in 2023 and expected to exhibit a CAGR 12.7 during the forecast period. So it will reach 533 billion in 2031. So it's going very fast. The main players in the market, just like Novartis, Roche, Johnson & Johnson, Sanofi, Arcelicon, Gilead, MSD, and BMS. So in the picture, you can see this is a prospect, so growing very fast. So it's a prosperous market. Part 2, I just give a strange. I just give introduction of the Truking's integrated solution for this area. So from the drug discovery process, it's normally it lasts 10 years. So from the beginning, it's just searching and target the molecules. It take 1 to 3 years. From the target to the lead, take another year. And then from lead to the candidate is another 1 to 3 years. And then go to preclinical development, and then go to the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and finally go to the market. So you can see the overall the average if just for new drug it takes 5 to 10 years. The total cost averagely is 1 billion. So it's a high cost. And it's also has a high risk for the from the beginning to the end. It's a high risk for the failure. So it's an estimation that around 10% finally go to the market, and all the other 90% just go to failure. So the high risk area. So from the lab to the market, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stage, the cost over 1 billion. It's really spending a lot of money and high risk. For the biosimilars development, timeline and cost, so it's a little cheaper. It's a total cost is around 100 to 200 millions, and the time also take from the new drug it's take nearly 10 years, 5 to 10 years. But for the biosimilar, it can be much shortened, maybe 3 to 5 years. For Truking, we have the center of excellence. We call it the center of excellence. It's a It includes the industry and education research base. It is also a public project platform. It's also industry COE center and enterprise and industry talent platform. The business covers the biopharmaceutical process library and biopharmaceutical pilot platform, disposable process technology platform, biopharmaceutical analysis and testing platform, biopharmaceutical design and planning platform. So the technology, including the stirring technology, biopump technology, research on special complex formulations, equipment optimization, process validation, disposable process solutions, disposable process EPC, some testing and screen. It's about chemical and microbial testing. So we also have the process production line prototype and overall process planning. So it's a efficiency. It's a high efficiency institute. The COE has a lot of talent. It's covered different discipline. It's including the experts from bioengineering, the equipment and hardwares and validation. We also have the expert of the material study, some consumables just like resin and filter membrane studies. Most of the experts has a very long history in the industry, and it's an international team. The experts from China, from Japan, India, and Germany. Yeah, very strong and a robust team. The service covered mainly covered 6 areas: recombinant protein, antibodies, vaccines, and nucleic acid, cell and gene therapy, biologics. Yeah, Truking just Truking had just has 6 area the integrated solution. First one is the recombinant protein drug process solutions. It's from media preparation, cell culture, and fermentation, and clarification, concentration, and purification, sterile filtration, and virus filtration. Yeah, and for the MAB, we also have a total solution. It's covered every step of the process. Yeah, for the vaccine, it's same. Yeah, so it's very comprehensive. Yeah, all business very comprehensive. Yeah, this is the here is the demo of the COE lab. So you can see lots of detection and screen equipment. So it's very big, and a lot of labs inside. So lots of equipment there. So we also have the production and pilot scale production equipment inside the lab. So if the customer has the requirements for the new drug, we can help them to develop the whole production process. Just work as a partner to support them and speed up their process to speed up their process to the market. Here is a short description of the workflow of the map production. So from the left, the inoculum, and then go to the cell culture, and then to the product recovery, and then the downstream purification. Finally, is the drug substance. So just go to the details. From the work cell bank to the shake flask, and then expanding to the seed train from NX to N1, and just scale up, and then go to the production bioreactor. After cell culture, it's go to the clarification step. Just remove the cells and debris, and then go to the downstream capture step, and then low pH virus inactivation, and then go to the purification step. Just remove the process and the products related impurities, and finally it's polishing step, and then followed by the virus removal, and then go to the final drug substance formulation. The current industry practice is that the first step is classic WCB. In the future, the trend is the high density WCB. For the expansion and seed train, normally it takes at least two cascade seeding trains. In the future, maybe reduced just one seed train. It can shorten the cell culture time. Now the popular cell culture is a feed batch mode pattern. And in the future, it may be evolution to the feed batch to the perfusion, and then can increase the production, and also transfer from the batch production to the continuous production. And for this clarification step, normally it's centrifugation and plus steps and macrofiltration, and then in the future maybe the trends is just from the current one to the precipitation and the in situ adsorption. for the capture is protein A, and next one is more selective precipitation and high capacity proteins, protein A's. The current process immunity removal step is HSC-HA chromatography. In the future, it's a transfer to the multimodal media. And for the polishing, it's same. So the suppliers, just like Truking, just developed the new generation multimodal media. For the virus filters, not too much change, but for the final UF and DF, it has a chance to transfer from the stainless steel system and multiple use filters to the single pass UF DF filters. Let's have a look at the Truking integrated solution for the map production. So here is a mapping. So first step is all equipment is a mixer. So just to prepare the media. Next one is the seed application. So Truking provides the wave reactor, and then just expanding to the large scale culture. We just provide the big stainless steel one or single use bioreactors. After the culture, the clarification step, just remove the cells and cell debris. This is the Truking equipment, depth filtration equipment. So in the downstream processing, a lot of buffers will be used. Truking provides the inline conditioning system to just supply or feed the buffer to the each unit operation. Also provide the container, the bin, and the single-use bag. Yeah, and then go to the capture and other downstream steps. With Truking provides the consumables, just like a different type of the resins. And for the equipment, we also provide the chromatography skid and column and other slurry tank equipment. And then go to the low pH activation step, just to remove the virus. Truking also has a specific equipment. And then go to the polishing step. We provide the different size and different configuration of the chromatography system. And the nano filtration step, or we call it the virus filtration steps. Truking provide both the multiple use or single use filtration skid, and then the ultrafiltration steps. This is all equipment. And finally, the drug dispensing or distribution skid. Here is workshop layout of the map map production plant. So you can see the layout, the floor plan. For this type of workshop, Truking has delivered over 13 the whole production lines. So just we call it the EPC product, from the equipment to the consumables, from the project management to the facilities designs and the construction. So we have a lot of experience there. Besides the drug substance, Truking is also the main supplier, is a top supplier of the drug products integrated solution supplier. So you know that it's remarkable, and it's very strong in that area. Yes, covers well. BFS.
Mark,
Hello?
you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, we have some a question. The solution that you propose includes the whole layout and everything. Becky, how are you?
Hi.
Hi,
Fernando,
Becky.
thank you.
I was asking Mark if the solution proposed as an integrated solution includes
Yeah.
the engineering, the layout, and everything.
Yes. Truking is capable of that, as Mark has just shared with everybody about COE. Actually, the best advantage about COE is that we have the advantages of all the expertise and experience in the bioengineering industry or the biopharma industry. We have all the experts from different areas, from very upstream of the cell culture to the resin, the consumables, including the resin, the single-use products, and then to the downstream of the process development and also the equipment selection. And that alone, all the drug product equipment and experiences. Truking has been in this industry for more than 20 years. So what we are now capable of offering, and the best advantage is that we have experience and know-how in every aspect. So we can integrate everything together to the customer for turnkey solution. So yes, that is what we can do, COE.
And besides China, in which other countries you have references?
Well,
yeah,
we have. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, we are coming to that slide. Yeah, just
yeah. So
one more comments before Mark, you show the reference cases. I just want to highlight again, because biopharma, the biologics is very know-how oriented, and it involves a lot of research expertise. So what we can offer for COE from COE is that once the customer decided to do a certain kind of product, either it is originals or the biosimilars, we have the expertise or network to help you from optimizing your process to to the final scaled up to the commercial production. We have all the network and even our own experts to help the customer to do a better job. So yeah, that is what a COE is strong at.
Okay. Mark, can you tell us about very quickly, because we are on time, about the customer cases?
Yes. So here are some key account. Truking's DS products key account, just like Rongchang and Baiji and Innovent. So
all those are in China, correct?
yeah, all these three customers are located in China. We have an international one. Here, example is Baidu US. Here, for this one is a US company. This company has passed the FDA inspection, so it's ongoing. So Truking provides the whole solution from
Becky, I don't know if
Yes.
you're still there.
Yeah,
How
I'm
is
still
the
here.
integration on this project with Romaco?
The one that Beijing in the US.
Yes, because
Okay.
we see on the slide some Romaco reference or some Romaco equipment. How is the integration with Romaco on this project?
Well, Romaco is part of Truking, right? It's one of the strongest brand of Truking and the expertise in the solid preparation. While Truking is very strong in the liquid preparation. Ever since 2017, Truking and Romaco has been supporting each other in the global market, both in China and outside of China. And the two groups are now developing side by side very well. So in every possible cases, Truking and Romaco support each other in business development, but also in how do you say your own capability development. Well, if you want to know more detailed into specific cases, we can integrate the different part of equipment into an integrated solution. So we have already existing cases from India, from Middle East and Africa. We have many cases that the solution is a combination of Truking equipment and Romaco machines. And this one in Beijing in the US, currently this company is a very famous company strong in monoclonal antibody production. Their product has been approved by Chinese authority and also FDA and many authorities in Europe. They are selling global wise using the production equipment of Truking. In the US, Truking offers most of the equipment from the upstream to the downstream and the filling. But the secondary packaging, we are about to offer the Romaco machines. And Truking is going to integrate into a turnkey solution to the customer. Yeah, that's how we work with Romaco.
Thank you very much. Very interesting. And this gives you a very strong position on the market, correct?
Yes, definitely. Because some market which Truking is stronger, but in a lot of international international markets, Romaco has been there more than many decades. So in market basis and also service wise, Romaco is a very strong support to Truking.
Hope to see one project integrated like this one in Beijing, no, here in Mexico.
Well, we
so.
hope so. Yeah, we're working on that.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Baidu US is a global operation company. So we deliver the whole DS equipment there. Just we also help them to just design the whole plant. So it's from the upstream to the downstream, just from the equipment to the consumables. Truking is an integrator there. Yeah, most of the part and most of the equipment Truking can provide all them, but some small part maybe Truking is not provided by Truking, but Truking just support them and just as an integrator, just to outsourcing for them. So Truking is a very good partner of Baidu.
Excellent,
So
Mark. We are almost on time. I don't know if we have any question about our visitors of today. Bueno, ¿alguna pregunta de nuestros invitados que quieran aquí hacer a la parte de Truking con Becky y Mark? Como podrán ver, toda la integración que hace Truking hoy en día a nivel mundial es completa. Y bueno, pues más que gustosos de ver pronto alguna posibilidad de proyecto en donde se pueda integrar todo este sistema. No sé si por allá hay alguna pregunta. Okay. Bueno, Mark, we are we are almost on time. Becky, thank you very much. We know that
Okay.
you are on your holiday. Happy New Year, and hope to see you soon, Becky.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much for organizing this. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah.
And thank you all for the time.
Thank you,
Thank
Becky.
you, Mark.
Thank you, Mark, for your presentation. Information
Yeah,
is
thank
very,
you.
very good and very deep. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you. Yeah.
Bye. Muchas gracias a
Bye.
todos. Nos da gusto terminar el día con esta presentación. El día de mañana ya estaremos hablando un poco más de empaque aquí también desde Guadalajara con otras de nuestras representadas. Entonces, les agradecemos a todos su presencia. Rubén, no sé si tengas algo final.
No, simplemente agradecerles por haber permanecido durante todas las sesiones. Intentamos hacer algo muy diferente este año, unas pláticas que tenían integración o conexión una tras otra. Y bueno, la verdad es que esperamos que eso los haya nutrido más. Y como dijo Gerardo, mañana la fiesta continúa desde aquí, Rush Producciones Guadalajara. Y por favor, no nos dejen sin su asistencia. Sería todo.
Gracias, nos despedimos. Saludos a todos. Les agradecemos su tiempo. Saludos. Thank you, Becky. Thank you, Mark.
Gracias.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. See you
Yeah,
soon.
happy Chinese New Year.